Hi, Productivity Pros. It's Michelle here at Pens, Planners, and Productivity, where we turn productivity into a superpower. Today, I'm unboxing something I'm so excited about, my brand new dotted journal set. I got this particular set because it's the one my sister, hi Chris, used last year, and I love the quality of the pages. Also, it came with everything you need to journal. This set comes with pens, washi tapes, stencils, everything you need to make your planning both functional and fabulous. This is the whole package. Let's see what's inside. Here's the star of the show. This is a dotted journal, and it is 140 GSM, and that stands for grams per square meter. So the higher the GSM, the thicker the paper. Normal copy paper is between 70 and 80 GSM. A good bullet journal paper is between 100 and 160. So this has pretty thick paper, so I know my markers won't bleed through. This is 5.7 by 8.3 inches. It's considered an A5 journal. It has 188 numbered pages and 3 index pages. It also has a back pocket. Okay, so when you open it, you have your, in case of loss, please return to page. And then you have your index. And then you have your dotted pages. Okay, I'm not sure how well you can see that, but the pages are dotted. And you can create them any way that you want. In the back, it also comes with a pocket to store whatever you need to store in there. And it comes with a pen holder. I like the journals that come with a pen holder. It also has a couple of these ribbons in case you want to keep track of certain pages. Okay, sometimes you get one. This one has two. I like when it has two because there's usually at least two things I'm keeping track of. So that's the journal. Next, let's take a look at the pens. Now these pens look fantastic. I haven't tried them yet. I'm hoping they'll work really well. There are 12 of them in 12 different colors, and it says they're non-toxic, odorless, acid-free, and water-based. There are 2 sides to each of them. There's a 1.2 millimeter brush tip, and then there's a 0.4 millimeter fine liner. There's the brush tip. And the fine liner is really a fine point, so this will be nice to write with. This set came with 2 sets of washi tape, and this first one, let me get that out. They're actually calling it masking tape, but it should be washi tape. This one comes in mint green shades. They're very pretty. And this one has a lot of fun things in it. I'm looking forward to these. Okay, let me get these out here. Okay, now this one has a bunch of different sayings on it. Okay, it says rich. My dear, look at me. It has calm down and relax, and probably a few other things on there. I don't want to unroll the whole thing though. I'll never be able to get it back together. Okay, so that one's interesting. You can use it for some decorations and things like that. Now these I'm really interested in using. This one is pink, and it has the date. It has the word date, so you can write the date on it. And then it has the different times, so you can put it down the left side of your page, and you don't have to write the times in. This one has the days of the month, so it says 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and so on. So you can use those instead of having to write the date. And this one has the days of the week. It also says month plan, and then it has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. Washi tape is nice to decorate your journals with, and these are also quite useful. Looking forward to those. Last, let's take a look at the stencils. Okay, and we'll go through each of them. Okay, this is nice. It has a place for, it has squares. You can put the days of the month in there, and then you put the days of the week, and then you can write your notes there. This one has the months of the year all in capital letters, and it has some other decorations that you can use. This one has capital letters, numbers, and it also has the word weekend. Instead of Saturday and Sunday, you can write the weekend, has a couple of other symbols, and you can use this for the time. This one has some pretty pictures on it. I use a lot of leaves during the fall, so this is going to help me because I'm not the best leaf drawer. So looking forward to that one. This one has a bunch of borders, has some circle borders that you can use and some straight borders. I like that. This one has an interesting kind of sunburst on it and some other shapes and some lines. That'll come in handy. This one has some other borders and some keys at the top. I usually use that for my key page, and we'll talk about that in another video. And it has these shapes. I'm not sure what I'll use this one for, but I'm sure I'll think of something. And these two I'm most interested in using because I don't really like to create the monthly pages. So I have one, and you notice that these stencils will fit right on a page. So I have Sunday through Wednesday, and then I have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then a notes page. So I can just put this stencil down, draw in what I need, and I'm ready to go. I just have to write in the numbers for the days of the month. If you're getting value from these tips, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. If you're new to bullet journaling, it's a system that combines a planner, a to-do list, and a journal into one customizable tool. It's great for staying organized, tracking goals, and reflecting on your progress. Think of it as your all-in-one productivity system. The basics include creating an index, monthly and weekly spreads, and daily logs. You can also add trackers for habits, health, or even your mood. Unlike traditional planners, a bullet journal is a blank canvas. Whether you're tracking work projects, daily habits, or creative ideas, you design it to fit your needs. You're not limited by pre-printed templates, which means you can create layouts that work perfectly for your life. One of the best parts about bullet journaling is how it encourages you to pause, plan, and prioritize. When you sit down to create your weekly or daily layout, you're intentionally deciding what matters most. It's not just about getting more done, it's about focusing on the right things. For productivity, it's a game changer. You can break down your big goals into actionable steps, track your progress, and even celebrate your wins. That visual progress is so motivating. Writing everything down in one place, whether it's your to-do list, project plans, or random ideas, also helps to clear your mental clutter. It's a productivity strategy that also reduces stress. And let's not forget the fun part, it's creative. With tools like the ones I showed you today, you can make your journal not just functional, but inspiring. When your journal looks great, you're more excited to use it, which makes staying productive easier. And if you're a leader, it's especially helpful. You can track meetings, plan team projects, and even reflect on your leadership goals all in one place. It's not just a journal, it's a tool for intentional leadership. Here's how a bullet journal helps with time management. A bullet journal gives you a clear visual of how you're spending your time. By creating daily, weekly, or monthly spreads, you can map out your tasks and appointments. Seeing everything in one place helps you plan better and avoid overcommitting. One of the core principles of bullet journaling is deciding what's most important. Using tools like task migration, where you carry over unfinished tasks, or prioritization methods like the ABCDE method, you focus on what truly needs your attention instead of just reacting to whatever comes up. Time management is all about knowing what to do and when to do it. With a bullet journal, you can take a big project and break it down into smaller, actionable steps. You can then assign those steps to specific days, ensuring steady progress without last-minute rushes. Habit and task trackers in your journal help you monitor how well you're sticking to your plans. For instance, if you notice you're consistently not completing tasks, you can adjust your schedule or reevaluate your priorities to be more realistic. Journaling makes it easier to identify patterns in how you use your time. Maybe you're spending too long on unimportant tasks or letting distractions derail your day. Reflecting on your spreads can reveal these habits, giving you the chance to course correct. You can even incorporate time blocking into your layouts. By assigning specific blocks of time to certain tasks or activities, you create structure in your day and reduce the likelihood of multitasking or procrastination. Another big win is how a bullet journal brings everything together. Work meetings, family commitments, self-care, it's all in one place. This keeps you from double booking yourself and ensures a better balance between productivity and downtime. Finally, bullet journaling encourages reflection. At the end of the day or the week, you can review what worked, what didn't, and how to improve. This regular check-in helps you refine your time management skills over time. For me, this journal will help me track my projects, plan my goals, and stay on top of my productivity tips for leaders. I'm also adding spreads for books I want to read, brain dump pages, and courses I'm creating. It's always exciting to start a new journal. I can't wait to dive in. If you made it this far, leave a comment below letting me know if you've ever used a dotted journal before. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss more productivity tips and bullet journaling inspiration. See you next time.